Okay, to make a sword you leave about an inch, ½ inch to an inch uninflated. You're going to come to the end and you're going to twist a bubble, just a round inch long bubble. Hold the nozzle in one hand, the rest of the balloon with your fingers. Twist this by itself, then you can let go of the nozzle. You're going to make about a loop twist big enough to get the balloon back through. Right? Then you're going to make a series of bubbles, 4 or 5 bubbles. I usually make them about 3/4 inch a piece, and I usually make 5. If you make your bubbles bigger, then you're going to use less. Once you're done with that, you're going to stick the tip into this. I usually hold it upside down and then pull this through. You don't want this squeaky sound. So when you do, I hold this with a V so that I'm pulling this through carefully. There should be enough for your hand to grab. Then I take this and twist the whole thing, which brings this curve around. Pull this back and squeeze the air out so you can shape it. And then make sure that this is shaped the way that you want it to be. And that's a pirate sword.